been here before, and you know, what do you call it? I've not been in because they've had those gates. Yeah. So I've looked at it with, you know, we've looked at it, and I thought, oh, how could 6 people sit in here? Yes, there's 6 seats. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Oh, money's for cards. They've got cards, have they? Oh, can you lift it up again so I get it on my video? The water. Can you do that? Because I'm going to put it on the Facebook. Holy sites, sacred things. Oh, where's that lady? Where did I get? She's got the lift. She's got the light. Oh, wait a minute. There's a candle. Go on. The light. We need the light.
We'll do the light next.
Right. You shine the light so I can put it on the sacred springs. Oh, look at that. Facebook. There we are. We've done it. Thank you.
No problem.
That's they have a use, men.
Did you come in useful sometimes then?
Thank you.
No
Thank
problem.
you. Thank you. Saint Elian. Well, I don't know. You'll watch I don't get myself burnt, eh? Right, that's a stained glass window. There's another one. I can step on that now. I nearly stepped in the water myself actually earlier. That's St Trillo. Right, try not to burn myself. He's St Trillo. This is St Trillo, the smallest church in the whole of the British Isles, seating only for 6. And I'm in it for the first time because normally you can just look at it from the outside. Oh, come in. There's water under there. That's the holy water in there. If you pull those things up, you can do it. And it's cobblestones. But I don't know where the priest stands in the middle then. Yes, there's holy water, and it makes you better if you touch it. There, St Trillo's. Well, I've been in it at long last. What do they say up there? They're not selling anything, are they? I can't see anything much with my glasses on. Oh, there's... Can't see anything in the read it. But anyway, there's a thing there that I want to read. It's something I can step on it. You can lift those up and have a look at the water if you want. It's holy water. Yes. Right. A prayer to Saint of Christ, intercede to keep me safe as I journey. Where am I? Be my shelter in need of employment when I seek comfort. This I ask in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Right. That's the picture of a prayer to St Trillo. Yeah, so I've seen the prayer to St Trillo. The children want to do it. What does that say up there? New from the reed, I can't read, to find this chattel, or hidden away, its sturdy walls of stone built low, a refuge from the sea below. So many souls have passed this way, and stepped inside to stand and pray, left messages of hope and love, to him who watches from above. Right. So when you leave, remember me, St Trillo's chapel by the sea. That's a poem. Yep. It's a rhyming poem. So, miss your dad. Oh, that's a child's writing, that one. Get well. Get well wishes. I can step on it now. I have to never feel too comfortable about stepping on these things. Happy birthday. Right. And, right. Oh, we can write things. I can write something for my puppies. Yes. Freya, Faucon, Mimi, adieu. There we go, I've written one now. Freya, Faucon, Mimi, adieu. Here we. Oh, shit, my God. Anyway, there's no window this side. And, but there you are. Now, bon. Yes, it's normally it's locked, but it's a lovely little place. Here we on every new light. Here we came here. There, that's usually you could see in it, because it's a gate, and it's a smallest church in Britain, seating only for 6. and it's by Rhos-on-Sea, R-H-O-S, North Wales, near Conwy and Colwyn Bay and Llandudno and things like that. Oh, look at those. The hyacinths. I love hyacinth smells. They never come out for Christmas though, as they're supposed to. There we go. So St Trillo at Rhos-on-Sea, pronounced Rose, R-H-O-S. It's there we go. It's really quite. The original would have been, what do you call it? They say the original church would have been sort of just wattle and daub, sort of straw with stones around it, but that's been rebuilt. So you see St Trillo's church. You see, thought to be the smallest in the British Isles, seats 6. St Trillo was a Celtic saint who built a cell here, and the present building, yes, were wattle and daub. And the chapel's an ancient spring. This is the Holy Miraculous Spring, supply of drinking water, and he'd have picked it because of that. The well can be seen in front of the altar, which is what that gentleman picked up. And for Llandrillo, and they have it. They have services, but there's nothing up about that. They say it's 1,500 years. Celtic usually had an enclosure that they could farm to feed themselves. A llan, L-L, is in Welsh, in Cymraeg, which is proper English, proper British rather. English is a mishmash. Rose means marsh, yes. So it means marsh on the sea, Rhos-on-Sea, where this is Llandrillo. So, Eglise, see the word for church in Eglise in Welsh, Cymraeg, is the same as in French, Église. Yeah, there you go. It's on a heritage trail. Yeah, so, and there's a puppet theatre I've never, and it's only open in some summertime. I've never been to one yet. Llandudno does a Punch and Judy, which is politically incorrect now, apparently, because, you know, it's about wife beating. But, you know, he's not really hitting her very hard, is he? It's for fun. Where are we? I can't find. Oh, St Trillo's Chapel there. So yeah. So if you're coming from Chester, you go out of the town, and then there's this brown sign which says, yeah, brown tourist sign. Otherwise, it's quite difficult to find, actually. Yes, without brown tourist signs. Yeah, they don't understand these things, tourist officers. They think we can find it without them signs, but no, because that causes people to get hooted and things. It's very, very small, but nicely done. There's a sign saying people are doing fires around here, naughty creatures. Well, they're young if they haven't not occupied with a 4-letter word called work. Yep, they get up to naughty things. Well, I'm always saying it's the young. It could be the more older dossers as well. There's an expression: the devil finds work for idle hands to do. Big truth in that saying. Yes, you can sit here. Woofers came. Maffifi. Yelivernula. It's a quiet day today. It was drizzling a bit this morning. Oh, yes. And that's probably Colwyn Bay. Well, that's the Little Orme, I think. Yes, the Little Orme, where the peregrine falcon nests. There's a Angel Bay, of course, is the ultimate. Angel Bay is near Rhos-on-Sea, and it's where you can see seals. I went there the other day. Seals, yeah. There's the sign in the brown. Brown signs are tourist signs in Britain. Yes, let's not talk about yesterday and the man who didn't know he had a sign to Lake Brennig in the middle of, well, God knows where he thinks he lives, but, you know, one minute he lists himself as Mould, and then it was Colwyn, and then, oh God, it was so totally different after that. Anyway, I've got to listen to Ludvico Ludvico, something like that. Einaudi, that's it. Ludvico Einaudi, the fantastic Italian classical music composer who did Le Onde, that reminds me of my Fifi so much when she participated. There's the main road of the promenade, you see, the town's further down. And, yeah, Le Onde, the wave. It's a wonderful piece. And it feels like the sea. Feels like the sea. Of course, I have also been to Harlech, been up the world's steepest thing. I've been to a lot of places, but most importantly, it's the vegan society on the move. And yes, well, today I got myself at a lady who was very peculiar about addresses on that marketplace of Facebook. But anyway, we eventually met at some shops. She says, do you know where the shops are in this place called Mochbury, which means Pigstown? And I said, well, of course not, no. But anyway, when I saw her, my sat-nav was taking me somewhere else, and she had this, I think £3 it was. That's what I came for, and I think something else in another place nearby. And it's most fantastic bedspread, duvet cover made of poppies with 2 pillowcases made of cotton. Well, whatever. It's probably a mix. You get cotton itself. It's very. Now that's why I go outdoors. Phone charger. I mean, I'm going to get one on Monday night to be smaller than that, because that's a bit. I mean, that could run a laptop for several hours, which is what I have it for. But you know, because when it's like the size of a mobile phone, these backup battery packs, you mislay them. So I'm going to leave one permanently in the car, because that's where it always runs out, and just when I'm trying to get somewhere and the sat-nav dies. And that's it. So Chapel St Trillo. Don't know if they pronounce it Trillo, double L. Trillo, maybe they say in Welsh. Cymraeg means Welsh. Anyway, Katie Carrot, Peppa Pig await me. Yep. And now I've got Ludvico Einaudi to listen to on Classic FM radio. It's the most soothing, therapeutic thing. You wouldn't waste money on therapists in America if you listened to that. Okay, that's it.